The Nubia Navix Ultra is the first AI-focused smartphone we've seen so far. Now, while there is no official release date yet, industry leaks suggest a retail launch towards late Q4 2026 with an initial rollout in mainland China before any confirmed global release. Anyway, the device is a nice feature-packed AI-focused device. It features a premium design with a matte glass back and a flat aluminum alloy frame. Color options include Blue Horizon, also known as Sapphire Purple, Shadow Black, Dreamscape in Pastel Pink, and Pure Silver in White. What makes this phone really stands out is Nebula AIOS, an Android 16 based operating system deeply integrated with ByteDance's Doubao AI. Instead of jumping between apps, users can simply make a natural language request and have the AI perform multi-step tasks like booking rides, planning routes, organizing photos, and so much more. A dedicated orange AI key on the side frame provides instant access to the AI agent. The platform is built around four key pillars: deep contextual understanding, autonomous task execution, native information memory, and hardware-level data security. This allows the AI to better understand user intent, remember important information, and protect personal data at the system level. Now, in terms of specs, the NaviX Ultra is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. The device comes with up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, and it packs a massive 7100 mAh silicon carbon battery, supported by 80 watts to 100 watts wired fast charging. On the front, the NaviX Ultra features a 6.78-inch flat OLED display with a sharp 1.5K resolution and a smooth 144Hz refresh rate, ultra slim symmetrical bezels, and a centered punch hole camera. Photography is handled by a 50-50MP rear main camera system consisting of a main, ultra-wide and periscope telephoto camera housed inside a distinctive horizontal VISO style camera bar, while a 50MP selfie camera sits up front. Of course, the device can record up to 4K. Some sources claim it can record up to 8K videos at up to 60fps, but 4K videos at up to 120fps. Some sources say that as well, but none of these are confirmed yet. Now, the NaviX Ultra will launch first in China, even though there is no official release date, where its AI features are optimized for the local Doubao ecosystem. Pricing is expected to start at around 3,499 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 495 to 515 US dollars, while higher end variants could range from 799 to 999 US dollars depending on the market. So these are the top features of the Nubia Navix Ultra. I will definitely be on the lookout for more details of the device. So if I get more details about the device, I will share with you guys. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And please take the specs with a pinch of salt because none of these specs are official, so they may not be entirely correct. Anyway, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.